Most people will not tell you this, but I can tell you exactly how price moves. Every single price move can be traced back to a PO3. If you guys see over here on the right hand side, you see the live 4-hour candle. You can see that this candle here is what we would call a doji candle or an indecision candle. If you look at the higher time frames, price pointed more towards the downside, so we are expecting some downside bearish price action. Every single candle needs an open, a high, a low, and a close. So all we need to do is properly predict the manipulation phase of the candle, and you can easily catch the distribution. Now, since we're bearish and we are inside of a bearish PRA like this, we have a 15-minute BPR, we can assume that price is going to push lower. So once we make this little push higher, we are just simply looking for shorts, nothing else. Now, what I like to look for is a 1-minute change in state of delivery. Over here on this leg, it's going to take place right there. So once we get a 1-minute candle closure under that low is when we are going to start shorting the market. This is exactly where we get the closure. We keep a stop loss at the high, and then we keep a take profit at this previous low. This makes for a 2.85R trade. Let's go ahead and see how this plays out. So pretty choppy price movement, but price did in fact go to RTP. If you guys